To some politics now, and Jubilee supporters in Mumias blocked ODM leader Raila Odinga and Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya from addressing victims of alleged police brutality at Shibale in Mumias. This triggered a fierce fight between the supporters that saw windscreens smashed as Raila and Oparanya raced away from the scene. Rashid Ronald reports.
Let me tell you, Governor, I have a lot of...
In an attempt to show his sympathy for the victims of the alleged police brutality in Mumias, CORD leader Raila Odinga and his entourage arrived at Shibale town. As fate will have it, Mumias East MP Ben Washali was addressing some youth. Chaos erupted after Raila was denied a chance to speak to the people here. Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya was at the center of the scuffle. The youth stoned vehicles and beat up Kakamega County Assembly member Crispus Odwor, and that sparked more scuffle.
What is all this? What type of government is this? I think it is so unfair. Yani, they have mistreated my people. 10,000 people in an estate. They have been beaten, tortured, raped, women raped, guns put into their private parts, their small money taken, their houses burnt. You can see their houses burnt. What is it? What is it? Were we overturning the government?
A few meters from here, we meet Mumias West MP Johnson Naika, a bitter man. He is very angry with the police for allegedly using excessive force against his constituents as they searched for the 7 guns that was stolen from Mbuka police post.
Kwa saa 9 ya usiku walikuja wakaanza kuchapia mama kwa nyumba wakimwambia atoe pesa. Sasa venye walimchapa wakamchapa na alikuwa na kibeti ilikuwa sina 7,000 na akawapatia hiyo 7,000 wakamwambia tikoni hii biashara yake haitoi pesa. Na akasema ni hizo ndo pesa zenye akanazo peke yake. Wakamtoa kwa nyumba ya kwanza wakimleta kwa nyumba ya pili wakimchapa atoe pesa akakata.
Sisi hapa walikuja saa 11 ya asubuhi wakakunyanyasa wakapika wakapasua madirisha yote. Sasa saa hii tuko na shida, mvua kinyesha tanyesha tu kwa nyumba.
A contingent of GSU men landed at Shibale Estate here in Mumias in the wee hours of the morning. They are alleged to have harassed residents, some even claiming they were sexually molested by the GSU men. That notwithstanding, now 7 guns are in the hand of criminals. And of course, that will not be a good story when talking of security in this area. Rashid Ronald, KTN News, Shibale, in the county of Kakamega.